Good job. Next is, what is the sound of a horse? Good morning! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mai Hazel TV. Ngayon po ang gagawin natin ay lesson po tayo sa ating anak tungkol po sa animal sound. Titingnan ko po kung naalala pa niya yung sound sa mga animals na sasabihin ko. So, enjoy watching! Salamat po sa panonood! So, mag-start na tayo. Okay! First animal is, what is the sound of a dog?
Ruff, ruff, ruff.
Huh?
Ruff, ruff.
Next is, what is the sound of a duck?
Quack, quack, quack.
Very good. Next is, what is the sound of a chicken?
Quack, 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 quack.
Good job. Next is, what is the sound of a horse? Horse.
Moo.
No. Try again. What is the sound of a horse?
Neigh.
Neigh. Very good. Next is, what is the sound of a cow? Kana, cow.
Moo.
Kana, moo. Very good. Next is, what is the sound of a goat?
Huh?
Goat. Goat. Yes. Yay. Good job. Next is, what is the sound of a frog?
Kukak, kukak, kukak.
Kukak, kukak. Yes. Next is, what is the sound of a bird?
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Tweet, tweet, tweet. Next is, what is the sound of a what else? Lion.
Ala. Roar, roar,
Roar,
roar.
roar. The last one is, what else? What is the sound of a pig? Yes, yay! Sa susunod na naman yung ibang mga animals na ang kanilang mga sound, di ba, kikil? So ngayon magsising ako ng Oh MacDonald had a farm. Tapos ako yung magsising, tapos ikaw yung magbigay ng sound ng mga animals, okay? Okay?
Oo.
Okay, next. Okay, let's start. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he has a dog, E-I-E-I-O, and a
ruff, 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 ruff.
Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he has a cow, E-I-E-I-O, and a Very good. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he has a horse, E-I-E-I-O, and a Good job. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he has a goat, E-I-E-I-O, and a Good job. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he has a duck, E-I-E-I-O, and a
quack, 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 quack.
Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he has a bird, E-I-E-I-O, and a
tweet, 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 tweet.
Very good. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he has a lion, E-I-E-I-O, and a...
Right, 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 right.
Good job. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he has a pig, E-I-E-I-O, and a...
Go, go.
Very good. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he has an animals, E-I-E-I-O. Yay! Good job, good job. Oh, chicken ya, babadya.
Chicken.
Okay, chicken. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he has a chicken, E-I-E-I-O, and a...
Croc, 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 croc.
Yay! Good job, chicken. So, marunong ka na
Count.
sa letters from A to Z.
7.
Colors, different colors. Numbers 1 to 25. And now, animal sound. Ang kulang na lang ay ang pagbabasa at
Thank you.
pagsusulat.
Ayan.
So ngayon, enough for today, Ezekiel.
Ha?
Enough for today.
I know it's nice.
Bye-bye, guys! Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, guys, and also give me thumbs up if you like, and also you can share this video if you also like, and you can comment down below kung ano po yung mga suggestion nyo para gagawin natin. So salamat, guys, salamat sa pag-subscribe, salamat. I love you all. Bye.